This is Eric Amat Ileon from the DR division. Why are survivor benefits important in a pension QDRO division? So survivor benefits are often overlooked and really critically important when we're talking about divorce cases and in pension divisions. So the reason why they're so important is because oftentimes it's one of the most valuable assets in a divorce case. When we're talking about shared interest division of a QDRO, the survivor benefit really becomes important because there's going to be options. And the options are going to include whether the payment of the retirement benefit is going to be only through the course of the employee's lifetime, or is it going to also include the lifetime of the non-employee spouse. And all you have to do is think of an example of you're divorced, you're the one who is the former spouse who is going to receive a share of the pension benefit. If your ex-spouse dies soon after the pension starts, there will be no more payments available to you. Your share that's awarded in the divorce case will just end. So there's going to be a variety of options in many situations with pension plans on either securing how much you're awarded, by which I mean that you'll continue to receive the same dollar amount even after your ex-spouse dies, or there could be situations where you receive more that you were receiving during your ex-spouse's lifetime. These benefits come at a cost, and they reduce sort of the overall amount that both parties can share from. But again, when you're looking at the security over your lifetime, really a critically important factor to consider. In a separate interest approach, the payments of a survivor benefit is still important, but in a different way. Why? Because once the pension starts, survivor benefits after that date are no longer a factor, because what the non-employee spouse is receiving is already actually adjusted over their own lifetime. So it's already going to be paid without having to worry about an additional survivor benefit. However, what does become important in both situations is what's called a pre-retirement survivor annuity. And this is something specifically in the federal law under ERISA. It's something every plan that's an ERISA plan has to provide. And what we're talking about is securing the former spouse's entitlement to a share of the pension between the present and until the time the pension starts. Most plans don't charge any kind of fee for this pre-retirement survivor annuity. If it's going to be awarded, it does specifically have to be addressed in the divorce orders, and it has to be addressed specifically in the QDRO. For more information, visit us at burnhamlaw.com.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. And for more information, go to burnhamlaw.com.